Hi, my name is Roger Collantes. I'm the CEO of Global Learning Solutions and former Asia Pacific Learning and Development Director of Citi. Guys, if you're stuck in your company and you're not motivated, I really think you have a problem. It's not your boss's problem. It's your problem. That, I think, is very important. Talking about myself, I've been in an old job for 20 years. I love it. There's one thing I love to do, and one of the things I love to do is to write books and do motivational talks. And you know, it took me a while. Then I realized, hey, I really love to do that. That's the one I want to do. You know what? I decided to leave my job. I wrote a book. And this is what I'm doing right now. So my advice to you, if you're stuck, you're not stuck. It's a choice. Here's something else. If you're not happy with what you're doing, you better start to love whatever job you do. And if you think some job is better out there somewhere, I have another bad news for you. Your job today is as good as any job, or it's as bad as any job. You know why? Because when you move from your job and you carry that same attitude in the next job, you're still going to find that job not exciting. So remember what I said, excitement, motivation comes from within. Get that fire burning inside you. Because motivation is something that cannot be done unto you, but you got to spark it inside yourself. First, the first basic level of motivation is physiological, you know, money, position, environment, and so on. Some people are motivated by that. Beyond that, the next level is security. You may have all of these things that the company gives you, but if you're under threat that you will lose your job, your motivation will go down, right? That's what happened during the financial crisis. When people didn't know whether they'll have a job tomorrow, however companies try to build up, they say, I know you're trying to give me this, assure me that, but how do I know? So second level is security. So you can give them physiological needs, security. The third is esteem, self-esteem. How do you do that? You do that by recognizing people for a job well done, giving them a stretch goal, and then encouraging them to achieve, and then recognizing them. There's a fourth level. I don't know whether you agree that it's the fourth level, but it's called the belonging needs, the need of people to be recognized, to be part of something bigger than themselves, to belong to a group, to a company. So I would say the fourth way to motivate employees is to motivate them by showing them that coming to this company, you are going to be part of something big. You know? The highest level of motivation is actually something that if you can achieve it, you're going to keep this person motivated for a long time. It's called self-fulfillment. This is the whole idea that you're doing whatever you're doing because you just love doing it. This is called passion. This is called passion. Now, it may sound, to some who are listening to me right now, it may sound like, oh, that's too ideal. But you know what? If you can bring your organization to that level where they're doing something because they believe in it, they love it, then you don't have to motivate them because they have achieved the highest level of motivation.